Welcome to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. This is your go-to source for practical advice and support while you go through the divorce process. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll cover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here's your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst Professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Welcome back to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst Professional. Today's episode, we're going to address a common concern among those going through divorce. How long can I expect the divorce process to take? Divorce proceedings obviously vary in duration depending on a number of factors, and that includes the complexity of the case, state laws, and probably most importantly, the level of cooperation between the parties involved. In general, uncontested divorces where both parties agree on all aspects of the divorce tend to resolve more quickly than contested divorces. The contested divorces, those that, involve disputes over issues such as child custody, asset division, and spousal maintenance. The timeline for uncontested divorce can range from a few months to a year, depending on the jurisdiction and court backlog. In some cases, couples may be eligible for expedited divorce processes, such as summary dissolution or collaborative divorce, which can shorten the timeline significantly. Contested divorces, on the other hand, often take longer to resolve due to the need for court hearings, mediation sessions, and possibly even a trial to settle disputes. And the timeline for contested divorce can vary widely and may extend for several months or even years, depending on the complexity of the case and the willingness of the parties to negotiate. There are several factors that can influence the duration of the divorce process. First, legal requirements and procedures in your jurisdiction play a significant role. Some states have mandatory waiting periods before the divorce can be finalized, while others have streamlined processes that expedite the proceedings. Second, the complexity of your case and the issues involved can affect the timeline. Disputes over, say, child custody, asset division, spousal maintenance, and other matters may require extensive negotiations and court proceedings, leading to delays in the resolution of the divorce. Third, the level of cooperation between you and your spouse can impact the speed of the divorce process. Collaborative and amicable divorces tend to progress more smoothly and quickly than contentious divorces marked by conflict and disagreement. And last, the efficiency of your legal representation and the court system can influence the timeline. Working with experienced attorneys who are familiar with divorce proceedings in your jurisdiction can help streamline the process and ensure your rights and interests are protected. While it's natural to want the divorce process to be resolved as quickly as possible, it's important to prioritize reaching a fair and equitable resolution that meets the needs of both parties and any children involved. If you have concerns about the timeline of your divorce or specific requirements in your jurisdiction, I encourage you to consult with a qualified divorce attorney who can provide personalized guidance and support throughout the process and, ultimately keep you informed on how things are going and what needs to be done. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. Should you have any questions on today's topic or other financial planning issues, drop me a line, give me a call, shoot me an email. Contact information is in the description. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Until next time, have a great day.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce with Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow.